All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. In part 1, they're going to ask you some questions, and in actual exam, they will invite you one by one. I have invited you two by two so that you could support each other. Okay? Yes. So let's start from you. The topic is home or accommodation. My first question is, do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a house. It's a brick house, two-story house with 5 bedrooms and 5 attached bathrooms. It has uh, two kitchens, one in the lower portion and one in the upper, and I have two gardens inside. One is inside and one lawn is inside and one is outside the.
All right, that's good. Overall, it's fine. Just try to speak fluently, connect your ideas together, and use some connecting words. For example, moreover, it has two kitchens, one downstairs and one upstairs. Apart from this, it also has two wonderful lawns. One is at the front and one is patio at the back. And overall, it's a beautiful house. At the end, one sentence conclusion. Okay? Now, let's go on. What is your favorite room in your house?
Well, that would be my own personal room because I feel comfortable over there. I have decorated my room uh, by myself, and I feel much easy in my room whenever I'm upset. And usually, I spend most of my time in my room.
All right, this go. Don't be upset, okay? When you are in your room, then don't be upset. When you are outside your room, then you should be upset, okay? All right, overall good. Let's go on. What have you done to make your room look nice? Or what have you done to your room to make it look nice?
Well, I like to keep it simple. I I haven't decorated a lot. I keep it simple. Like I have moderate use of colors, pastel colors, wallpaper, and furniture very limited. Only my bed and a sofa with the TV on it, and that's it.
All right, that's good. So at the end, try to conclude. So this is what I have done to my room, and because of which or because of this, my room looks so beautiful. At the end, there should be one sentence conclusion. Overall, your answers are fine. Just there is the issue of connectivity of ideas. By this, I mean compound sentences. And then you need to conclude in one sentence. It'll be fine. Okay. Now, let's move on. We go to your neighbor. Right. The topic is hometown. Always remember, whether you live in a foreign country or any country or city, your hometown is your ancestral town where your parents belong to, or the town where you've been living since your childhood. That is your hometown. Now, if someone is living in KSA, now they cannot say KSA or Jeddah is my hometown. No. Hometown is where actually you've been living since your childhood. Even if you are in a foreign country, your hometown is back in your home country, right? So, tell me about your hometown.
Well, I'm from district Attock, and I born there in a little town of district Attock. This is a hilly area, and it's very beautiful, covered with hills, and there is a beautiful river near my home, and overall it's very beautiful and green town.
Good. Your answer is very good. Sentences that you made, they are very appropriate. There is only one problem. You use and 5 times.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so don't use and, then there is another sentence, and then there is another sentence. You can use, like, say, apart from this, moreover, not only this, right? You can use other phrases instead of and, right? Now, let's go on. Is it a big city or a small place?
Oh, it's a really very small place. Just I think it's almost 100 homes are there in the town. It's very small. There are very few shops, just daily based things we can purchase from there. There is no hospital,
Okay.
and just middle school is there for girls and boys as well.
All right. So it's a small town, but very comfortable to
Yes,
live.
it's very-
That is conclusion.
yes.
Good job. And you need fluency also. And fluency will come through practice, right? Now, let's go on. What do you like about your hometown?
I like its greenery very much. It's very, it's very peaceful. and there is no voices of traffic, and no other, things like those disturbs us. It's very peaceful. I like its peace very much.
Okay, so you can use some other words for peace, right? And then you said voice of traffic. We call it noise of traffic.
Noise.
Right? So use appropriate use appropriate words along with your answer, and try to use a variety of words in every answer related to the question. That will bring you good pen score, because examiner has 4 criterias. Number 1, fluency. Number 2, pronunciation. Number 3, grammar. Number 4, vocabulary. And they give you 25, 20 out of 25. So you need to consider all 4 things. When you speak, try to use good pronunciation. Means it doesn't mean that you got to use good accent. Accent is not measured in IELTS. It's only pronunciation. Along with that, fluency, speaking without pauses, and then grammar. Grammar means compound sentences, and vocabulary means synonyms, variety of words. Okay? All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.